Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you some of the leaks of the S22 phone by Samsung, which is gonna launch. So first of all, it is expected to have a triple camera setup, which has one 200 megapixel camera, and it will also come in S21, S22 Ultra model, which will be pretty heavy. So these are the colors expected to come. So like I like the blue color a lot. It's like it's something new and it hasn't been come after the S10. Last this color was seen in S10, yeah. And these four colors are expected to launch. And here, this is the five lens camera system with a 200 megapixel primary sensor and Olympus branding. So they are going to collaborate with some company, I guess. And the S22 Ultra is expected to weigh 227 grams. Dude, that is so heavy. That is a lot. And if you know, iPhone 12 is at 170 grams, and this is 227. So you can think that how expensive and how much it is gonna weigh. And the cost is expected to be around 89,000 in 90,000. Yes, so these are the colors, all the colors, those want it. Huh. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Meet you in the next video. Peace.